How to fix Notion can't add members. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, open up Notion application, sign into your account, and then check your roles in the workshop. Only workshop owner can add new members, so go to settings and then members. Then make sure you have owner permission. Next, check your workplace plans and member limit. Free plans have limit on guests, while paid plans allows more members. So if you have reached your limit, you will need to remove a member or upgrade your plan. Also make sure that you are entering the correct email address when sending the invitation. Now, if the person has already been invited, ask them to check their inbox and accept their invitation before trying again. You can even refresh Notion, sign out and then sign back in again, or try using a different web browser or device. And finally, you have to make sure that your internet connection is stable and update the app if available. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.